Hi girls, how are you? Today, inshallah, we are going to study lesson 4, Profile of an Emirati Filmmaker. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to take part in a discussion about an Emirati filmmaker, write sentences with several adjectives in the correct order, and write a biography of Nujum El Ghanem. This is what we are going to do today. Start by watching this
Order
video.
of adjectives.
I need you to watch and take notes, please. It's a grammar about adjectives. So I need you
Determiner,
to take notes
opinion,
and
size,
watch this
shape,
video and take notes.
age,
What is it talking
color, origin, material, purpose, noun. A small red suitcase. The new blue silk t-shirt. An ugly wooden chair. This round new kitchen table. A comfortable new velvet dress. These lovely old ceramic mugs. That beautiful German sports car. Those amazing heart-shaped red balloons. A wonderful old French clock.
After watching this video, we can recognize that it is talking about what? It is talking about order of adjectives. Where can we write the adjectives to describe things or places or people? How can we write them, the order? So our lesson today is talking about this point. I need you to open your books, please, to find out which or how can we order the adjectives in sentences. So open your books, page 22. You can find this pink box. We need to read the examples here, please, in the pink box, and find any adjective you can find in the sentences or in the examples. Number one, a successful Emirati film director. 2. This aspiring young man was named Best Emirati Filmmaker. This talented, hard-working Emirati national directed a number of short movies. These sentences are talking about Ali F. Okay? So, Ali F. Mustafa is, these sentences is describing him. But where are the adjectives? Are there here any adjectives you can find in each sentence? Yes, of course. And what do you notice about the adjective, the order of the adjectives? So let's find first how many adjectives are there. In sentence 1, you have 2 adjectives in the first sentence. A successful Emirati filmmaker. You have 2 adjectives. Where are they? Successful Emirati. Yes, successful Emirati. Successful is adjective. I describe Ali Mustafa. He is what? He is successful person. And Emirati, nationality. He is also, and its one is also an adjective. What about sentence 2? You have 4 adjectives. Aspiring, young, best, Emirati. Aspiring, young, and best, Emirati. This is, all of them are adjectives to describe this person. Sentence 3 or example 3, talented, hardworking, Emirati, national. These are also 4 adjectives in sentence 3. So yes, we have adjectives in each example or in each sentence. What do you notice about the order of the adjectives in each sentence? The order. When we use girls 2 or more adjectives in a sentence, we need to put them in a certain order. We start first with adjectives that are giving opinion. And then another adjectives about fact. Opinion first and then fact. Opinion, it means that I said my opinion. He is successful. This is my opinion. But what's the fact? Emirati. This is real, true. Fact about this Ali Mustafa. So successful, this is opinion. And then fact, Emirati. So I always start with what? I start with opinion and then fact. Example 2. Aspiring, this is my opinion. Young, this is fact. Best, this is my opinion. Emirati, fact. Example 3. Talented, opinion. Hardworking, opinion. Emirati, fact. National, fact. So this is how can we reorder the adjective when you write sentences using adjective. Start with the opinion and then facts. Like interesting, old fell. Interesting, this opinion. Old, this is fact. It's an old fell. Okay, so let's here, girls. You have a list here, girls, of adjectives. All of them, they are adjectives, but we need to reorder them and classify them. Which one is opinion? Like wonderful, beautiful, successful, amazing. Which one is talking about size, big, small? One is talking about age, old, new, color, place, material, like glass, wood. So let's have a look to the box. You have plastic, successful, old, Emirati, green, wooden, aspiring. Aspiring, it means that ambitious. He wants to do something in the future. He has dreams. Tiny. Tiny means very small. Young, not old. Urban. Urban means civilization. He followed the civilization. Wide. Prestigious. Prestigious. Prestigious here means that well known, have a charisma, something like that. White, Arabic, talented, influential, effect on other, new, exciting, mountains, hardworking, 22-year-old, large, British, blue, cotton, yellow, teenage, deep, paper. Teenage like you, the same age. So these are all adjectives. We need to classify them. Which one is opinion? Successful. Okay, what else? Aspiring, prestigious, talented, influential, exciting, hardworking. They are opinion. What about the size? Tiny, very small. Wide, large, deep. Age, old, young, teenage, 22-year-old. Color, green, white, blue, yellow. Place, Emirati, urban, Arabic, mountainous, British. Material, the last one, plastic, wooden, cotton, paper. So we classify the adjectives according to this column. So also in your activity book, exercise 3, you need to put the adjectives in the correct order. Then we are going to write complete sentence. Number 1 is already done. A or an, plastic, cheap, Japanese, new, camera. So I need to reorder the adjectives. We start with opinion and then fact. So you are going to start with what? To make a sentence. So you are going to say, it's a cheap, new, Japanese, plastic, camera. I'm describing the camera. The camera is what? The camera is cheap, new, Japanese, plastic. So we start with opinion, cheap, new. This is the age. Japanese, where, the place. And the plastic, material. Look at number 2. A or an, 300-year-old woolen valuable carpet. So I'm describing the carpet. You have age 20 to 300-year-old. You have woolen. This is material, and you have valuable. This is opinion. So we will start with opinion. So it will be a valuable 300-year-old. This is the age, and then the material, carpet. This is the same. You need to order these sentences according to exercise 2. The table. Look at the table. We start with what in the table? In the table, girls, we started with what? Okay, so look at the table. We started with opinion, and then size, age, color, place, material. So we need to follow the table. 3. A or an tall, talented, young filmmaker. Tall, talented, young. We have to find out first the opinion. And then if you have size. If you don't have size, look at age. And then color. Do you have color? No color. So find the place. No place. Find the material. So a talented. This is opinion. Tall. This is the size. Young. This is the age. And then filmmaker. I'm describing the filmmaker. He is talented, smart, tall, young. 4. A or an blue, beautiful, deep river. I'm talking about the river, describing the river. Opinion. Where is the opinion here? Beautiful. And then size. Do you have size? So a beautiful deep blue. This is color. Blue. And then river. 5. A or an middle-aged, influential British documentary maker. Influential. This is opinion. Middle-aged. This is age. British. This is the place. Okay. Documentary maker. The last one, a or an teenage Indian aspiring poet. I'm talking about the poet, the writer who writes poem. So we can say an aspiring teenage Indian poet. Aspiring, this is opinion. Teenage, this is age. Indian, place, and then the noun, which is describing. Let's go back to the course book. Here you have a piece of information, a brief note about one of the filmmakers. Her name is Nujum El Ghanem. We need to look at this piece of information about this lady. Place of birth, Dubai. Education. Education, girls, here. It's Griffith University, Australia. She got MA in cinema. This is place of birth. What about production? Production skills. Film director, producer. What about screenwriter, both films, shorts, documentaries, and features films? The poems she wrote, 7 poetry collections. Awards. 2008, Most Promising UAE Female Filmmaker. And 2014, Mohr Features Best Non-Fiction Feature, Nearby Sky. And her date of birth is 1962. This is in 24th October 1962. This is her date of birth. We need to ask questions about this woman, this filmmaker woman. For example, when was she born? She was born in or 1962, or you can say on 24th October 1962. We can ask many questions, for example, where was she born? Where was she born? In Dubai. She was born in Dubai. Exactly. What is her or what are her skills? Filmmaker, film director, and producer. She is a film director and a producer. Can you tell me, please, what type of films did she make? Short films, documentaries, and feature films. Did she write any poems? Yes, she wrote 7 poetry collection. What about the awards? How many awards did she get? In 2008, she got Most Promising UAE Female Filmmaker for Women. In 2014, she got Mohar Features Best Nonfiction Feature Nearby Sky. Asking and knowing this information about the lady, we need to write now a short paragraph, biography, CV, like Ali Mustafa. Do you remember the Ali Mustafa in your book? We need to write the same about Nujum al-Ghanim. Write a short biography about Nujum al-Ghanim. This is your homework, girls. Thank you very much. Waiting for your homework. Bye.